Hello and welcome to Michael Pepper Tech. Today I have a special video for you. A surprise guest in an unboxing of the iPhone 13 and her favorite color and why she went from the 12 mini to the 13. So watch, let me know what you think, and I'll be back after our special guest. On to her.
Go for it. Second time only you've ever actually been able to unbox your own iPhone. They didn't unbox it for you.
I really love that color.
Let's get a close-up on that. Show it to the camera. There is the midnight blue. What do you think, babe?
I love the color.
You happy?
I am.
What are you most happy about going from your 13 or your 12 mini?
Oh, it's a little bigger and I don't know.
Well, why? What was your issue? Why did we go trade in?
Battery.
Yep.
I had a battery issue. I couldn't keep charged for half a day. And I'm hoping that this one keeps a longer charge.
You happier now?
I am.
What about your case? Should we show them your case maybe?
Yeah.
See what you think about the clear case. All you have to do is slide it out of the bottom. Yeah, don't drop your phone, please. Another Best Buy win today.
It's a MagSafe case.
Insignia clear case for her. You just slide it out the bottom.
Oh. I was gonna do this.
My hand keeps getting in the way. The ultra wide is super wide on this.
Looks awesome.
Recording with my 13 Pro. So, of course, there'll be some tests on the channel if my wife is nice enough to let me do some tests comparing speeds between the regular 13 and the 13 Pro, and maybe some camera stuff we'll test out.
I suppose. I'm thinking about maybe we go down the trail and take pictures later.
That'd be good. What do you think of the case? You like it?
I like the case. I'm not going to show it off to all my friends at work.
Okay. Well, we'll be back after she gets it set up eventually and gets to use it for a little bit and get a little update from the wife. And this is kind of a normal tech everyday user's perspective unboxing reaction.
Well, what did you think of that one? Were you surprised? What did you think of her reaction? What do you think of that color? And should I do more videos like this of kind of the normal consumer point of view of things and get her to join me on more videos? Please let me know in the comments down below. And of course, as always, give this a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already as I bring more content like this. And of course, check out my other discussions and content with unboxings and product reviews and that like. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.